Well, welcome to my kitchen. It's Leona from the Jungle Farm, and today we're going to make roasted tomato soup. And I don't know about you, but my tomatoes my last ones that I collected out of my garden are starting to ripen. So I have all sorts of tomatoes. I have ones that are starting to turn a little pruny, as well as really beautiful ones. So this recipe is so simple. I take an onion, and we have lots of them, so I make sure I use lots, and I chop it really big. Because I'm going to just roast this in my oven. Then I do my tomatoes, and really I don't put a lot of effort into cutting them small because we're going to blend them. So I just do them into quarters. And like I say, I don't care if they've got a little bit of wilt to them because they're going to all be used up in the oven. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a thing of garlic. And I'm going to roast it as it is. So I just take off that end so I can squeeze it out when I pull it out of the oven. So it is ready to go. I like to put a little spices on before I put it in the oven. So I put a little bit of olive oil onto it because that helps keep the spices connected to the actual tomatoes. So I'm going to put a little bit of that on. I'm going to grind on some black pepper, and I'm going to put in some salt. And then I'm fortunate to have worked with this lovely gal, and she's got Mountain View Herb and Spice Company, and I'm going to use her spicy Italian seasoning. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on it. And I see it's got a little hot pepper, so I'm going to be a little bit careful because I don't want too much on. And once I've done that, then I'm going to just mix this all up. So it's all got a little bit of the oil and a little bit of the spices on it. Make sure my garlic is sitting kind of in the middle. And I'm going to put it in the oven. And like magic, I'm going to be able to take the one out of the oven that's been in the oven. So once we've got all that roasted up, then we're going to take it out and we're going to put it into my blender. So I got to change my hands here. So I'll give you a quick look. So you can see the tomatoes have a little bit of brown to them, or even a little bit of black, and that's okay. And I'm going to put it all down into my blender, and I'm going to blend it up. And once I've blended it up, I'm going to put it back on the stove. And I might feel that it's quite thick. I'm looking at this one going, I think this one's going to be quite thick. So I might need to add a little bit of juice, which, it's going to be so flavorful, it's not going to matter if it's just water. So let me put this on and blend it because I've got skins. I want those onions all put together. So it doesn't take long. Ooh, it's a steaming away. And I'm going to pop it down into my pot. And this was just a small batch compared to what I had already done. So I'm going to put a little bit of water in here. And I'm going to put it onto the stove. And I'm going to warm it up. And once it's warmed up, I can then serve it up. Now, today I actually did up some pumpkin seeds last night. So I'm going to put some pumpkin seeds on it just for my garnish. And the pumpkin seeds, super simple. I just put them in the oven. I didn't wash them. That was a trick one of my staff told me. And I just put a little bit of salt on them. About 20 minutes, stirred them, another 20 minutes, and they're these nice crispy pumpkin seeds. So I'm going to put those on top of my soup. Thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen for our roasted tomato soup, and I hope you take advantage of use some of those tomatoes that are starting to ripen from your garden about this time of the year. Thanks, we'll see you next time.